Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken and dumplings using canned biscuits. This easy guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a comforting meal without the fuss. We'll start by gathering all our ingredients, including pre-cooked chicken, a can of refrigerated biscuits, and flavorful chicken broth. Get ready to create a family favorite in a fraction of the usual time. First, let's get our chicken ready. You can save time by using about 2 cups of pre-cooked, shredded chicken, like a rotisserie chicken. If you're starting with raw chicken, season 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts with salt and pepper. Cook them in a large pot for 6 to 7 minutes per side until they are thoroughly cooked, then remove and shred them into bite-sized pieces. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. While your delicious chicken and dumplings are simmering, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And speaking of comfort, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your ride smelling great. You can find the link for that and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's build that rich, flavorful broth. In your pot, sauté 1 cup each of chopped onion, carrots, and celery in a few tablespoons of olive oil for about 3 to 5 minutes until softened. Next, pour in 32 ounces of chicken broth and a 10.5-ounce can of cream of chicken soup. Stir everything together and bring this comforting mixture to a gentle simmer. It's time for the star of the show, the dumplings. Open a can of refrigerated biscuits and cut each one into 4 equal pieces. Gently drop these biscuit pieces into your simmering broth. It's important not to stir them too much, as this can cause them to break apart. Cover the pot immediately and let it simmer for 10 to 20 minutes. The steam will cook the biscuits, making them wonderfully puffed and tender.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.